Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 19 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can use formulas in MS Word. Using formulas in Word, you can directly calculate numeric values in Word itself instead of doing it somewhere else and entering it here. So let's see how we can do this. As you can see, there is a table here with random information. To add these values at the bottom, put the cursor in this cell. And then go to Layout and select Formula. After selecting the Formula option, Office Auto predicts that you need to do some of the above values. But if you want, you can change the formula from here. You can select the number formatting as well from here. Click on OK, and then, as you can see, formula has been applied. So, this is how you can use formulas in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.